This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable autoplay on the Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Firefox here. I have the Firefox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable autoplay, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Permissions and Data. Click on Permissions and Data. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways to the Permissions section, and right down here, Autoplay. Click on Autoplay. Now in the dialog box that opens up, right up top here, Default for all websites. As you can see, I currently have block audio and video selected. I'm going to click the drop down. You can set it to allow audio and video, block audio, or block audio and video. Then you would go down to the bottom, click on Save Changes. That is how to enable or disable autoplay on the Firefox web browser. Thanks for watching.